Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today I'm going to show you how to tap into a watermelon. This is a watermelon. And how would you tap into it? How would you tap into it? That's the question. That's a tap. Okay, first you need to make it stable. You see, it's rocking at the moment. So cut a little bit, not too much, like so. Now that's stable. Now cut this much from the top, about this much. Make sure it's a straight cut, like so. Okay, so you get your hand blender, push the hand blender in, like so. So you push into it and blend, push into it to the sides and blend. And once you get enough juice, you empty that into the bowl, like so. You will end up with that. There's still more juice to be made. As you can see, I've taken all the flesh out. Okay. And make a mark and do a small hole first, a very small one. Okay, so I've got the hole in there now. It's smaller than the diameter of the tap. So now you need to push this in and you need to twist it so it's a tight seal. It's just like so. Okay, so from inside, as you can see, you put the bolt or the washer in and give it a good turning. I think that's tight enough now. Okay, you put the juice back in. Now the moment of truth. Let's try to see if it works. Yes, that's what you call fresh juice from the watermelon. I think we have a blockage. Call the plumber. Yeah, I think the inside is at an angle, you see, so it's got to be, yeah, that should be enough. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really fresh, you know. It feels like it came out from the watermelon. It's that fresh. So that's your fresh watermelon juice. I didn't add any sugar or anything to it because the watermelon is quite sweet, so there's nothing added. It's just pure juice from there. And that's your cap. You can keep it in the fridge if there's any left over. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.